Today we're with Daniela and Daniel from Daimler Buses, the Center of Competence 3D Printing, to talk about the interesting project of on-demand spare parts of Daimler Buses. We brought some coffee and some time to talk about the project, and we would like to hear about you. What are you doing at Daimler Buses?
Yes, I'm Daniela and I'm working as a product and marketing manager for 3D printing in our competence center.
And my name is Daniel Kluth and I'm working as a category buyer in our competence center.
As Daimler Buses, you were a company that was a pioneer in using 3D printing technologies. Why did you first decide to use 3D printing?
Traditional technologies don't allow a decent on-demand production with small volumes. So the focus on customizing leads us to a very expensive and long-time supply chain. With 3D printing, we realized the need for reinvention.
For what products are you actually using the 3D printing?
So today we are focusing on our interior parts, but in the future we also think about printing all kinds of products or spare parts for our buses.
So 3D printing actually is a very promising technology. How did Daimler Buses exactly benefit from switching a part of the production to 3D printed parts?
With the implementation of 3D printing, we benefit from less storage, no overproduction, and short time production and delivery time for our customers.
Daniel, how did you get to work with DyeMansion, and what DyeMansion technology are you using?
We started with a print-to-product workflow and we developed with the expertise of DyeMansion part coloring technology.
In the process of starting the 3D printed part project, what challenges were you facing when you started it, and how did DyeMansion help you with it?
We had the challenges to create a special surface like injection molded parts on our 3D printed parts, and we have corporate colors, Daimler Buses corporate colors, which were needed to bring on the parts, and DyeMansion helped us with both. They created a system to keep the surface of the 3D printed parts, and they invented colors to use our corporate colors on the parts.
So, since we started partnering for this project, what is your opinion on the partnership and the collaboration?
Well, we liked and still like the strong focus of DyeMansion on the automotive industry and their continuous development, like for example the new automotive black and their reproducible color system.
So thank you very much for the interesting insights. But there's one thing I'm very, very curious about. What is your vision for the future?
Yeah, our aim is to digitalize our supply chain, and we want to realize an on-demand production with 3D printing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.